So today I'm going to narrate a book pages from Shah Rukh Khan's autobiography, and the pages suggest that there are a lot of ups and downs happen when he was a kid, but later somehow he managed everything because of uh, the all the effort that he has made. He was inclined towards the movies, but as the book suggests that he was being poor, not able to afford to go to the movies theater and all. But on the other hand, there are controversial things that he being friends with the very rich kids and studying in a very posh school, and which makes things little bit dicey that whether this story is correct or everything is made up just like a PR stunt that happened in Bollywood. Well, whatever is the reason, that there is no deny for the fact that he is not hardworking, he doesn't have a talent, or he doesn't have the skills. He has everything, but the story seems made up. I'm not saying that the 100% story should must be a made up story, but yeah, there is something look like a very fake. Well, finally, it's okay. So I'm going to narrate one of the dramatic incident that happened when Shah Rukh and his girlfriend, to be wife, moving, roaming in the park in the Delhi, and where suddenly they got been caught by a few of the neighbors, not neighbors, like their family members, and soon they everyone realized that they both are dating. Later that as he Shah Rukh Khan was a part of a Fauji serial where he acted as a Hindu. Everyone watched him, but they were unaware of that the person name is Shah Rukh Khan, the Shah Rukh's family. When he joined a party at their home, they were very amazed that the Abhimanyu from the Fauji series in their home. Later, when they realized that the same guy is dating their daughter, they being very the Gauri's parents been very upset about that, and he asked him to leave the party meeting. Well, after some days, the Shah Rukh did everything to make the situation favorable. He also said that he will convert to a Hinduism, uh, jokingly, what has mentioned over there. And also, after that, he did a court marriage and the normal in Hindu ritual marriage. That's what he has stated, and that's how their love started. He said that he is not good with the relationship, very shy, introvert, and always been a one-sided. These are the few adjectives he used to describe himself.